Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here with Cinema Sound. Today we're going to be looking at one of my favorite algorithmic reverbs, Valhalla Room, and a specific setting that we use to get mono reverb in dialogue tracks. And you're like, mono reverb in dialogue? Why would we do that? Well, we talk about this a lot in the Cinema Sound education, the difference between needing room tone and just cleaning up all the background noise and adding a little bit of mono reverb to help with edits and help with room tone sounding great. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, we're here in Adobe Audition, and if you've never used Adobe Audition, I invite you to come to our website, cinemasound.com, and go to the store and look at and stream our product, Adobe Audition 123. And there you'll learn, if you've never booted Adobe Audition before, how to use it, have a lot of facility with it, and even be able to deliver in 5.1 and Hollywood specs. Here, I basically have a dialogue track that was done as a voiceover, so it's very, very dry, very, very clean. And I want to show you what it sounds like without any reverb of any kind. It's mono.
100 years ago, the Alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
It's very, very dry. And when we add a really good setting from Valhalla Room, it allows us to help and help with some of these edits that we've made, give it a little more life, and allow it to layer into the room a little bit more.
100 years ago, the Alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
And it's probably even there a little much. I'm adding a little too much for it, so the streaming of YouTube gets over, because the streaming of YouTube compression will actually kill off reverb like this, so I'm adding a little more than normal. Here's Valhalla Room, and you can hear the difference again without.
100 years ago, the Alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
And with.
100 years ago, the Alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems.
So it sounds like she's in a nice little room. And this isn't a convolution verb, this is an algorithmic verb. And these are the settings that I like to start with, and I've made this as a preset that you can load into Valhalla Room by going here and then paste and copy from the clipboard, and I'll have this available actually in the article on Cinema Sound so that you can just take the text, copy it, and paste into this, and this setting will show up. Well, how does this work? Well, we have early and late reflections. And if you know anything about how reverb works, especially in a small room, most of what happens in a small room is that early reflection. Echoes very, very fast. And here in Valhalla Room, we have a mix, which is right now, if it's at 0, it's dry.
100 years ago.
And then if it's mixed, it's full.
100 years ago,
it's full if you have it all the way up. You have pre-delay, which for this kind of thing, we always want at 0. And then you have how much is the late reflections or the reverb, how long, in this case, 1/5 of a second. And then high cut, how much of those high frequencies are going to be left in the reverb, which we typically want to have below 8K so that the sibilants don't ring out. Take a listen to how this goes.
100 years ago, the Alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
So you can hear that the reverb with sibilants and S's kind of goes shh all over the place. We really don't want that. It starts sounding like a bathroom. Obviously, this is a horrific setting. And we do it in mono because the dialogue typically shows up in your center channel in 5.1, and in stereo, it's almost always going to be mono. So we have this as a mono verb to be blended very carefully and very closely with the dialogue itself. So it almost feels like it's one and the same kind of sound, which we don't want to be branching out into the stereo field. We want to keep it very much in that mono field. Now, what are these? Well, if we go, let me say this. This is depth means how much late reflection. So this right now is all late reflection. How much early reflection? Let me show you the difference. And of course, you can control early and late reflections here.
100 years ago, the Alliance was formed to support peace in the core system.
Very, very tight. And then the depth, then the late reflections.
100 years ago, the Alliance was formed.
Cool. So let me just show you early reflections. We'll bring this all the way down. This is how many milliseconds of decay echoes do you get? This is a very short setting.
100 years ago, the Alliance was formed to support peace in the core system.
And because we have a modulation and a mod depth, which is one of the things that Valhalla has that's cool, that really changes up the otherwise stale sounding algorithmic reverbs. It actually has a chorus unit in there that kind of modulates it and makes it cool. You can get sort of a chorus feel with a very, very short decay and early reflections, a very slow mod rate, and a deep mod depth. Listen to this.
100 years ago, the Alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope. But during first contact with the Cavalry,
make it fast.
a race invisible to us, ignorance and arrogance.
So obviously it's a horrific setting. We want to keep it very slow in the mod depth here, just to give it a little randomization. And obviously this setting is horrible. So we want to bring this, the more of this we bring, the more of those echoes, the more it can start sounding like that bathroom.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed.
Until we get out to ridiculous settings like this,
100 years ago, the alliance was
which is completely useless. So we want to keep it below 50 milliseconds and to taste.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
And this is not really a setting that we want to use on its own, although you could if you wanted something really sharp. So let me just bring this back down to like 10%.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support.
And without.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed.
And let's bring it up to 20% so you can hear the difference.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to.
It's just there in the background, but it doesn't sound that great. It kind of sounds bathroomy, which is not that great. Now let's shift over to the late, and this is something that you've probably seen many, many times. How much of the room, then by the way, this also counts toward the late reflection. So this is a fifth of a second. How much of this room, it even says size, sets the relative room size with the reverb. The larger this is, the bigger the algorithm works on making it a bigger room.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
And of course, if I make this larger,
100 years ago, the alliance was.
So we'll keep this somewhere in the fifth of a second zone. I like keeping the late size somewhere west of 12 o'clock.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
Now here I do have the mod depth up all the way and the mod rate slow, because the nature of reverb allows for less of that chorusing effect. And because there's thousands and thousands of echoes in a reverb, not just a few, where you can hear that weird chorusing effect. Here, it actually really helps to have the mod depth up and that oscillation happening slowly to keep that randomization happening. I leave these kind of at default, and I leave the late cross down here, and this allows us, a really short, kind of nice verb.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support peace.
And if I bring it down to 10%,
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
By the way, I should mention I'm using the Narcissus emulation. That's also one of the least CPU intensives, and for this purpose, one of the nicest ones. The other ones have kind of weird sounds. And this is okay.
100 years ago,
but it has a weird phasing, kind of like.
100 years ago, the alliance.
Which isn't very cool. So what we need to do is blend the early reflections into the late, which is what really happens in real world. And that happens right here with the early send. The more of this we turn up, the more early reflections get sent in series to the late. And now and so we keep this up, focusing on the late, so that if we bring it down here, we're really listening to the early, which we don't like that much.
100 years ago.
But if we bring it up and we turn up early send.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support peace in the core.
If we pull this down, so no early reflections go to late.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
It's a much, much nicer, even sounding reverb. And then if we place this around 10% or so.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
You can hardly notice it until I turn it off.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems, and we lived in hope.
Very subtle, but very important, and would cover up all of your edits. And you can bring this down to taste. I would probably have it somewhere very, very low here. Oops.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support.
So it's very, very low. You probably can't even tell over the stream. What I have done, however, is this is a stereo reverb on a stereo track. We need to add stereo expander and make it narrow, which makes it mono. Otherwise, you get stereo.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support peace in the core systems.
Super
and
wide.
we lived in hope.
Which is not what we want. Even in a stereo mix, we don't want this mono reverb to come out in stereo. We always want it to be blended with the dialogue.
100 years ago, the alliance was formed to support.
And that's how you do it with Valhalla Room. I will have this available and up on the article on Cinema Sound. If you want this preset, you can copy, paste, and have a great time. Hopefully this has been valuable to you working with Valhalla Room. If so, please subscribe to our channel and come visit us at cinemasound.com, where we have hundreds and hundreds of articles that are free, as well as where that preset would be for the Valhalla Room. And we also have video here on the channel, and we are the only website in the world that has the only fully comprehensive education for independent filmmakers to get Hollywood level production immersion into their audio. 85 hours. It's only available here. Please diverge. Please avail yourself of it. Until then, I'm Mark Edward Lewis, and we'll see you in post.
Even if for yourself.